Beautiful morning. Today I'm going to show you another trellis design. I know, but this one's pretty basic and pretty cool. So it's next to my Haas avocado, and this Maui dragon was not so happy in about 80% sunlight in our climate. It really got yellowed and damaged, so I pulled it back, put it in the greenhouse, and there it is, it's happy. Now, this design was actually inspired by this magazine, so thank you, Sal. He let me have several of his Fruit Gardener California Rare Fruit Grower collection, and I've learned a lot from him. So Don Weinstein, or Winterstein, I believe, he wrote this, you can see, and I saw that he had used this 7-foot post. So I used something similar. Here's another one I did yesterday, but I wrapped it in burlap. So I took a 7-foot post, hammered it into the ground about 3 feet after I dug out a hole for the 15-gallon wide pot to rest. So there it is. So Connie Mayer's in here, and she's gonna be happy. Now I added some extra holes. I'll go show you this one over here, because I'm planting our first graft. Whoa, sorry about that. These are bacon avocados. Pretty cool, huh? Smoother skin than the Haas. But sorry, so here is one in progress, and it's my first graft. And it's getting so large, it was starting to break out of, I wanted freedom, I wanted to escape our greenhouse. So, it now has to be outdoors. You can kind of see the work in progress. Dug a big hole first, put some extra holes in my pot. That's a 15-gallon wide pot, they call it, I believe. And then I hammered down that stake. I still need to wrap it in burlap, and we'll see how it goes. Now, I will allow these plants to eventually climb into the trees neighboring where they live. And they are all planted on the eastern side, so they're gonna get morning sunlight and be shaded in the afternoon. So we'll see how it goes. I'm actually pretty excited. This is the first graft that I've planted outside. You can see the union there, and it's doing fine. So I think this should work fine. It's pretty economical and sturdy. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Take care.